उस टाइम भी जब मेरा डेब्यू हुआ था, मेरी पहली पिक्चर luckily, fortunately for me, did very, very well. You can call it a stroke of luck or whatever, but it is what it is. It happened to me, and that is also my truth. I did an Akira. I was the hero of the film, and for me, that was like, wow! It was like a revelation. There was a certain kind of films that I did which gave me the push or the strength to kind of carry films on my own. Then after that, without a big star, I've done some amazing films. I've done some not so good films, but they were all my choices that I made, and I take complete ownership for it.
How is Bali different as a boyfriend and now as a husband?
You know, the best part is he's not different only. I still don't like, it's so weird to call him my husband. I feel he's my boyfriend only. The only difference is now we live together. He loves everything that I do, but he's also very honest.
How necessary do you think it is now important to voice your opinion against negativity?
Negativity is so much that you as one person cannot stand against it. So it's better to kind of avoid, I feel.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla, and today I can say I am all set to unravel the mystery of Nikita Roy with the cast and makers. Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know, Vicky sir, I would like to come to you first. You know, very few producers take this plunge to, maybe back a female-centric film and get it in theaters. If I'm not wrong, Nikita Roy wasn't making since 2022, right? And finally it is coming now. How do you see this whole journey?
So, like to start, my brother Nikki and me, we started a venture, and we were grateful. Sonakshi became a part of it, following by Sohail and Paresh sir and Arjun Rampal also as well. And you all have seen, it's a thriller. It's got heavy VFX, so VFX takes time. Good finishing takes time.
True.
So there has been a reason, and of course then distribution to be followed with it.
Yeah, exactly. And so मैंने अभी इन दिनों में जितने भी फिल्म मेकर्स से बात की ना, सबका एक ही चैटर रहा है कि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट फिल्म्स टू थिएटर्स, एस्पेशली नाउ व्हेन कंटेंट की इतनी अवेलेबिलिटी है. देयर इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आल्सो बिटवीन प्रोड्यूसर्स, मेकर्स. हाउ डू यू सी दिस होल डिबेट?
So of course you have to have the right product also at the same time. So we have created a great film together, and so we are looking forward to be in theaters, and people are expecting to see a good film after a long time.
But are you that kind of producer who looks for like box office numbers, validation?
So business is one side, but we look forward for people experiencing a good film also as well.
Yeah.
Because if you have a good film, things will follow, numbers will follow.
True. Sohail, when it comes to you, now I recently saw an interview of Kush where he is like, Sohail have been in the business for a long time, but now he is coming up. How do you see this aspect, when it comes to you, and people are praising you this way?
मैं gratitude से भर जाता हूँ मैं.
yeah.
Thank you करें गद हो जाता हूँ मैं. बहुत खुशी होती है कि आप कुछ अपना नाम बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो और वो बन रहा है, तो वो देख के खुशी तो होती है.
एंड आपके जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं ना, यू हैव ऑलवेज वर्कड इन एन एनसेम्बल एंड येट मैनेज टू शाइन, राइट? कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है टू हैव सिक्योर को-स्टार्स अराउंड यू?
कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है
टू हैव सिक्योर को-स्टार्स अराउंड यू?
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि अगर आपका को-एक्टर सिक्योर है तो वो अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर पाएगा, वो अपनी परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में सोचेगा और आपको अपनी परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में सोचना है. लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स कि इनकी वैनिटी कहीं से सैटिस्फाई करनी है या कुछ ऐसा ना हो जाए, ये मत करो कहीं वो ऑफेंड ना हो जाए. सो नथिंग लाइक दैट. सो लाइक इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग टू हैव अ सिक्योर को-स्टार, और मैं लाइक आई हैव बीन ब्लेस्ड. मैं तो बस जय माता दी करके ही चल रहा होता हूं.
बट reuniting with Paresh Rawal again, how are the dynamics this time, if I ask?
इस टाइम बहुत चिल था. लाइक बहुत लाइक वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशंस अबाउट सिनेमा एंड परफॉर्मेंसेस. तो ये वाला टाइम बहुत अच्छा था. मतलब मैं कह सकता हूँ कि वी हैव स्ट्रक अ रिलेशनशिप ऑन दिस फिल्म, तो काफ़ी स्पेशल.
बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू यू बोथ एज एन एक्टर्स, मैंने देखा ट्रेलर में कैसे यू गाइज आर नेविगेटिंग अ चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन, राइट? इन रियल लाइफ क्या वो मंत्र है टू कोप अप विद सच चैलेंजिंग एंड ड्रेडफुल सिचुएशंस, इफ आई आस्क फॉर यू बोथ?
सो जाओ,
like take a chill pill.
सुबह देखते हैं क्या करेंगे.
Dreadful situation.
Stressful situation. What?
Stressful also. I feel same as what he said. Just stress अगर लोगे नहीं ना तो लगेगी नहीं आपको. Yeah. So for me that has always been the case, and in fact I have always operated very calmly on at work especially. क्योंकि anyway आपकी दुनिया वहाँ पर इतनी chaotic होती है. अगर आप भी chaos में घुस जाओ तो मतलब your दिमाग will be somewhere else only. तो मैं शांति से अच्छे mood में काम करो and everything will be fine.
Exactly, but you are also collaborating with your brother on this project,
Yeah.
right? How is he as a professional and personally? मतलब क्या difference and dynamics था when you collaborated?
I think on set the dynamics become only very professional.
Yeah.
मैं भी एक ऐसी actor हूँ जो I've worked with a lot of first time directors actually.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
Kush
you
is
have.
also directing his first film. I always let the director do his job.
Yeah.
मैं उस काम में नहीं घुसती. And he knows what he's doing. He stayed with the film longer than I have. It's his vision at the end of the day, and I'm a director's actor. या तो वो बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस्ड डायरेक्टर हो या तो नए डायरेक्टर हो. आई फील हर किसी की शुरुआत कहीं ना कहीं होती है. एंड यू हैव टू लेट देम हैव देयर ओन ग्रोथ प्रोसेस एंड लर्न थिंग्स देयर ओन वे. एंड जितना मैं असिस्ट कर सकती हूँ मैं करती हूँ. एंड विथ एनी न्यू डायरेक्टर. And it's nice, and I feel वो बहुत ही fresh energy भी लाते हैं set पर, which is what Kush also did to this film. In fact, जब मैंने script पढ़ी थी, he's worked on it a lot and made it, to what the final product is now. So I really appreciate that, when a director is so true to his vision.
True.
And मजा आया. It was actually very professional.
But when it comes, आपने अभी बोला ना कि he is a newcomer and एक opportunity देना ज़रूरी होता है to whoever who is trying here, Sohail and even sir as producer, how important do you think कि actors को बोलो या even you as an actor getting that one good opportunity is really important to maybe prove yourself, because आज के टाइम पे इतना competition है ना कि वो chance मिलना ही difficult है, no matter आप किस background से आए हो.
Actually मैं थोड़ा अलग राय रखता हूँ क्योंकि आजकल के टाइम पे इतना काम है, so it has become easier to get that one thing that will help you shine through.
True.
पर to sustain that is difficult because इतना competition है. तो आपको वो मतलब एक ऐसा कुछ तो काम आ जाएगा जिसकी वजह से आपके बारे में 2 महीने बात हो जाएगी. पर जो आप गुडविल बनाते हो ना by doing different characters या different films या ओवर द इयर्स अगर आप सस्टेन कर पा रहे हो, अगर 15 साल से कोई एक्टर रूल कर रहा है तो उसमें कोई तो बात है ना. तो वो प्रूव कर चुके हैं.
हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज, डू यू थिंक कि टैलेंट्स को या डायरेक्टर्स को, न्यू कमर्स को अपॉर्चुनिटी देना जरूरी है?
एब्सोल्युटली. यू डोंट नो who brings what to the table. And especially even actors with us, Sonakshi has been so versatile. You see her body of work, it's been phenomenal. So you need to get out new talent also. At the same time, have a combination of both.
But Sonakshi, अगर आपके कैरेक्टर को देखें ना in the trailer, it sort of explores that fragile boundary between perceptions, reality, and I think your journey has been similar, right? जब से आप enter हुए हो, there was many perceptions around you, your background, your decisions you have made. How have you over time, become thick-skinned or strong towards that, and did it ever get to you?
No, actually, I've always done the work that I want to do, and they've always been my decisions to make, and they've always been my responsibility, and they've always been my choices. So I have no regrets. I've done some amazing films. I've done some not so good films. But they were all my choices that I made, and I take complete ownership for it. And whatever I've done has brought me to where I am today, which is why we're having this conversation today, which is why my life it is the way it is today, and I'm truly grateful more than anything else. And I don't look back and see anything that I would have done differently.
But आपने अभी कहा ना कि okay, you have made certain choices which were not good. Sonakshi, today you are in a position जहाँ आप अपने लिए काम चुन सकते हो. You can select, okay, ये मुझे करना है, नहीं करना है. But there was a time जब आपके पास वो option नहीं था, ठीक है? How do you look back at life that way?
I think option नहीं था. I can't say that honestly, क्योंकि उस टाइम भी जब मेरा डेब्यू हुआ था, मेरी पहली पिक्चर luckily, fortunately for me, did very well. And वहाँ से मतलब for me there was no looking back. And you can call it a stroke of luck or whatever, but it is what it is. It happened to me, and that is also my truth to tell. So since then, मेरे पास स्क्रिप्ट की choices आती थी, and उनमें से जो मुझे ठीक लगता था, जो मुझे करना था, वो मैंने किया. So I feel I've just stayed true to who I am, the kind of work that I want to do, and which is what has brought me here today. So it's been a good journey.
But for a time you also felt like you are being boxed to do only that desired roles.
No, but I don't regret it at all. I feel there was a certain kind of films that I did which gave me the push or the strength to kind of carry films on my own then after that without a big star or a hero, and which is what I've been doing since then for like 8-9 years now. And I love doing that kind of work. In fact, होता है ना वो एक चस्का लग जाता है. Like for example, I did an Akira when I was the hero of the film. And for me, that was like, wow, it was like a revelation.
Even Nikita Roy?
Yeah, even Nikita Roy. No, but of course, you are also there, right?
You are the hero of the film.
She's done some great action, which you all will see.
Yeah, that's what I was coming to you both, right? You know, how is this work different of Sonakshi's previous work? And I want you both to answer that.
आप देखो निकिता रॉय,
हम लोग देखेंगे बट जब तक आ रही है तब तक,
क्योंकि अगर मैं बता दूंगा अलग क्या है फिर तो पता चल ही जाएगा. But this is very different. Like this is very different from anything that Sonakshi has done. मेरा तो for sure गया, I can say कि मैंने ऐसा पहले कुछ नहीं किया. But like even Sonakshi, like really different. Like when you see her as Nikita Roy, like she's a different person. और ये सेट पे भी होता था. जो वो निकिता रॉय के कॉस्ट्यूम में सेट पे आती है, शी इज अ डिफरेंट पर्सन. लाइक वो एक्टर्स का वैसा होता है ना, आउट टू इन, कि आप उस आउटफिट में डालो, कॉस्ट्यूम में डालो कैरेक्टर के, एंड दे आर लाइक दे विल बिहेव लाइक अ डिफरेंट पर्सन एंड शी डजंट इवन नो.
बट मुझे जो चीज सबसे अच्छी लगी इस फिल्म के बारे में, लाइक इट रियली टुक मी बैक टू माय चाइल्डहुड. हम कहानियां से पढ़ते थे ना, नैंसी ड्रू, लाइक an investigator finding out things, the thrill, the chase, all of that, वो सारी चीजें थी इस फिल्म में, which is what really attracted me to it. And it's again like, yeah, it is a different role for me. I've not done it before.
But Sonakshi, how did Zahir reacted to this project? I want to ask you that.
How did he react? He's my biggest cheerleader. He loves everything that I do, but he's also very honest. जब उसे कुछ चीज अच्छी नहीं लगती है, वो मुझे एकदम मुंह पे बोल देता है.
ऐसा कौन सी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए हुआ है?
And I really appreciate that, because that keeps me very grounded, and it just gives you a reality check. And he's very in tune with the audience. तो जो audience को पसंद आती है उसको पसंद आती है, जो नहीं आती है वो उसको नहीं आती है. So I get a very good sense of
contrasting views. You get
sense of things from him. So but he really enjoyed me playing this character.
But you know, Sonakshi, on a slightly different note, you know, unfortunately we are living in this times of social media where judgments, comments and things can really get on to you, right? What keeps you so strong ki you are vocal, right? But does it ever get to you ki, okay, maybe this can also turn against me? And how necessary do you think it is now to important to voice your opinion against negativity?
I think it's always been important, but right now, unfortunately, the negativity is so much that you as one person cannot stand
alone
against it. It's just too much, and कितना आप पढ़ोगे ना, आप खोलते ही हो और सारी negativity वहाँ पर होती है आपके सामने. So it's better to kind of avoid, I feel, more than anything. But of course, when something does get out of hand, or if someone does say something that is absolutely unacceptable, or if somebody says something about my family which I will not stand for, मैं बोल देती हूँ. And I think everybody should stand up for themselves when it is absolutely required.
Exactly. And you know, maybe that gives you the strength कि आपके जो fun reels भी हम देखते हैं ना, they are really refreshing on that part as well, right? How do you see this trajectory of yours? And you know, how is Zahir different as a boyfriend and now as a husband? ये क्या changes notice किया आपने?
The best part is he's not different only. I still don't like, it's so weird to call him my husband. I feel he's my boyfriend only. The only difference is now we live together. पहले वो नहीं था, अभी है.
Exactly.
So I think it's good to have it that way. I think the vibe is always fun. I'm always entertained. He's like a 24/7 entertainment channel.
He's very positive.
He's very positive. So it's been fun.
But you know, सब लोगों से एक चीज़ पूछना चाहूँगी. You know, today we are in time जहाँ ना सिनेमा में multiple films can coexist, right? जब निकिता रॉय की भी release date आई, there is a film clashing with it, right? But here I see you all three smiling and promoting it with equal joy and all. Do these conversations around box office or say clashes as actors ever bother you? कि why are people taking it in a negative way while you know films can coexist?
नहीं यार, हमारी पहली फिल्म थोड़ी है जो साथ में release
हो रही है. It has been from day one, from many years.
Yeah.
You know, there has been multiple films releasing together.
Multiple films आती है.
So you have to come with your best, and you know, fate will decide.
Absolutely. And honestly, I love Kajol. and I love the work she does. She's a fantastic actress. She's one of my favorite actors. So I'm actually feeling very proud that I'm coming alongside her. More than anything else.
Absolutely.
Exactly. Sohail, what would you like to say about it?
मैं इसमें अब क्या ही बोल सकता हूँ?
No, but when you hear these conversations, how does it impact you?
It doesn't do anything to me.
Yeah.
Like, आ रहा है जो आ रहा है जैसे आ रहा है.
Yeah.
इतने लोग हैं हमारे देश में.
There is room for everyone.
Yeah,
there is room for everyone.
Yeah.
But जाएंगे देखने.
But I want to ask you, आप में इतना chill attitude कैसे? How are you this chill person? No matter what, I will like stay calm and all, because नहीं होता, हर किसी से नहीं होता ये पॉजिटिविटी मेंटेन.
योगा करो, मेडिटेट करो. ठंडा पानी पियो.
Yeah, I completely agree that. But when it comes to Nikita Roy, how is this project different from other supernatural thrillers that have come in recent times?
नहीं, अभी स्टोरी अलग होती है, ऑफ कोर्स कैरेक्टर्स अलग होते हैं. कोई ये थोड़ी चाहेगा कि अब जो प्रोजेक्ट बन चुके हैं वो वापस बनाए, so obviously
ऐसा भी चाह रहे हैं.
Yeah, it has to be different. It's an original script, it's not a remake. So yeah, I think it's a new story that we're getting to the world and नए अंदाज में present कर रहे हैं. कहानियाँ actually साथ ही होती है.
True.
And they're all presented in a different way.
Yeah.
So again, it's a supernatural thriller, like you said. It's a investigative story. It's a it's a chase. It's all things exciting. And जिस तरह से कुश ने से बनाया है, and जिस तरह से वो audience को project कर रहे हैं, I think it will be a fun watch for people. It will be entertaining.
Exactly. Yeah.
मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आप अलग क्या मुझसे जानना चाहते हो फिल्म के
Like what's refreshing about this film compared to other supernatural thrillers?
यार मुझे एक्चुअली जो सबसे रिफ्रेशिंग चीज़ लगी थी जब मैं कुश से मिला था for the first time and he told me about the film. I read the script. उसने बोला था बहुत ऑथेंटिक करेंगे कि this guy has lived in the UK for a while, तो इसका हम एक्सेंट रखेंगे, एक्सेंट ट्रेनिंग करेंगे. मैंने कहा बहुत बढ़िया कि ये मैंने कहीं पे नहीं देखा, क्योंकि मैंने हमेशा देखा लोग ये चॉइस ना छोड़ देते हैं. पर मुझे था कि if it goes south, it goes south. I don't think it has gone south. पर करते हैं. तो मुझे ये बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग लगा था कि जहाँ की कहानी है, जहाँ के लोग हैं, वो उस तरीके से बात कर रहे हैं.
True.
तो ये बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग था.
But you fully pulled off a UK-based Indian content
and
trailer.
And let me tell you, in the trailer, that part is a mystery. Yeah? So you have revealed it now that you are playing a UK-based and you have that accent.
ठीक है,
a bit of the mystery.
पर चलो ठीक है.
ये तो आप दूसरा आपके किरदार के बारे में बताइए. ये उसका जवाब था.
ओहो, मैंने अपना सस्पेंस बता दिया.
So what do you think?
What is different?
Yeah,
the
different.
The world of the film is of course altogether different.
Yeah.
And of course, our director also has presented the film and really put an effort to make a very good story together, which all will see on 27th June.
Exactly. But when it comes to you two, what are your upcoming projects, and now what sort of roles or shades are you guys looking forward to explore?
I'm actually right now open to anything. I want to do roles that really challenge me and where I'm projected in a very different light. जो कर चुकी हूँ वो मुझे वापस नहीं करना, मैं बोर हो चुकी हूँ. So I just want to keep doing things that are very new and exciting. And
I am quite open to all sorts of roles, and like I haven't done anything period, as Sonakshi said. मैं बहुत close आया बहुत सारी चीज़ों में करने के, पर वो हो नहीं पाया. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे ना लेयर्ड कैरेक्टर्स पसंद है, चाहे वो, और मेरे लिए ना लाइक आई कांट बेस माय कैरेक्टर्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कि अच्छा ये फनी है, ये सीरियस है. इंसान में सब कुछ होता है. जो सीरियस इंसान भी फनी होता है, पर वो अपने हिसाब से फनी होता है. सो आई लाइक टू शो दोस लेयर्स. तो जो भी आपके पास प्याज जैसे लेयर्स वाला कैरेक्टर है, प्लीज मैं करना चाहता हूँ.
Exactly, and really looking forward for Nikita Roy and this chemistry and the project, and really thank you for this.
Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Sonakshi Sinha.
Hi, my name is Sohail Nayyar.
Hi, my name is Vicky Bhagnani.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Bubble.
Bollywood Bubble.
Bollywood Bubble.